The Duratile tongue and groove products referenced in these instructions are made from mineral fiber. Panels are designed to be installed on a drywall or cured concrete ceiling with the recommended adhesive. Duratile panels are 12 by 12 in size and are directional. Be certain that the drywall surface is clean, smooth, even, and level before applying Duratile to the surface. Surface must be free of irregularities and flat to 1/4 inch over 12 square feet to achieve proper installation. Each run of Duratile is die-lotted. Production runs of different dates may not be the exact visual match. Do not mix multiple die lots in the same room or area. Duratile is a directional product. There is a directional arrow on the back of the tile. All tiles must be installed in the same direction or the installation appearance will not be acceptable. For the best visual appearance, equal borders on all 4 sides is important. Follow the steps in section 2.1 of the installation guide on how to lay this out properly. Once layout is complete, measure out from each corner of the room on both sides and place a mark at your border tile dimension. Once marks are set, pull a chalk line across the room from mark to mark and snap a chalk line. This is now your guide to set tiles into place. Install Armstrong 7843 3/4 inch wall molding around the perimeter of the room. Wall molding should butt to the ceiling corner and be plumb around the room. With a putty knife, apply the acoustical adhesive to the tile in 4 walnut-sized dabs, approximately 3 inches in from each of the 4 corners. Lift the tile and press firmly against the ceiling. As the tile is pressed to the ceiling, the adhesive will spread and cover an area approximately 3 inches across and 1/8 to 3/16 of an inch thick. Use caution to follow your chalk line and make sure your tiles are square as you continue the installation. Before installing the tile, make sure the groove is clear of all debris and the tongue has not been pushed in or damaged. If you find debris in the groove, use a putty knife or utility knife to clean out before installing. If tongue has been pushed in or damaged, try to pinch together with your fingers or remove the damaged part of the tongue with a utility knife. When tongue has been installed into the groove, watch for debris that could build up in the seam, which will create a poor visual. Use a utility knife to remove any buildup, and use caution not to damage the tile. When installing border tiles, you will need to trim or remove the product's tongue as required to complete product installation. Lift tile and slide wall edge into wall molding. While lifting the tile into place, push tile against adjacent tile's edge and pull away from the wall molding to close the gap on both edges. Press firmly against the ceiling. Do not cut the tiles too short, as you may have an exposed edge at the wall molding. Tiles can be cut around penetrations as needed. Before applying adhesive to the tile, hold tile in place and mark location of cuts, or measure the location of the cuts as needed. For more information on Duratile Tongue and Groove Glue Up, download the technical data guide from our website at armstrong.com.